Select Polygon tool, hold Ctrl, and draw a polygon of 6 sides of width 100 mm. Keep the lock ratio active and change the width. Select Shape tool and delete this node. Select Freehand tool and draw a line from center. Hold Ctrl and rotate from right to left. Press right-click to create a copy. Create a copy of polygon. Hold Shift and decrease size. Change the width to 10 mm. Hold the node and place it on the left corner. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Ctrl-R to repeat. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete these objects. Select Freehand tool and draw a line. Select this line and place it on the corner. Press right-click to create a copy. Ctrl-R to repeat. Select all these lines. Hold the node and place it on the lower corner. Press right-click to create a copy. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Select all color-filled objects. Click on Group. Select all. Hold Shift and deselect that group. Delete lines. Select all, group. Place the pivot point at the center of polygon. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 120 degrees. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R to repeat. Delete lines. Delete. Ungroup all objects. Change color, give different shades. Ungroup these objects. Select these objects and click on Weld. Copy and fill color using eyedropper tool. Select these objects and weld as done earlier. Give same color to same facing objects using eyedropper tool. Repeat same process. Change color using eyedropper tool. Select all, remove outline. Right-click on cross mark on color palette to remove outline. Click on Group, Ctrl-G to group.